press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, so let us try to solve the exercise 12.1. Okay, first one, see there they have given one note there, unless stated otherwise you have to use pi is equal to 22 by 7, means wherever you need the value of pi you have to use 22 by 7 unless it is stated, means otherwise they will sometimes they will mention to use 3.14, there you have to use 3.14, otherwise you can use 22 by 7. So the first one, the radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of two circles. Okay. So the first one, exercise 12.1. First one. So here the data given is the radius of the two circles. Okay, radii. So radii they have given, that is the plural. Okay, singular is radius, plural is radii. So the radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. You have to find out the radius of another circle whose circumference is the sum of these two circles. I hope you understood. See, there are one circle and another one smaller circle. The radius of this is, roughly I am doing the diagram here. The radius of this is 19 centimeter and the radius of the other one is 9 centimeter. And you have to find out the radius of another circle, where the circumference of this, that is required circle, will be the sum of these two circumference. I hope it is clear, the question is clear. Okay. Now let us try to solve it. Let the required radius of a circle be r. So I will take it as capital R. The required means the radius of a circle which you need to find out, that is the another circle. Okay. Now then the radius of the radii of two circles are, so let us take R1 as 19 centimeter and R2 as 9 centimeter. The radii of two circles are, R1 is equal to 19 centimeter and R2 is equal to 9 centimeter. Understood? Now, only this data we have now. Okay. Now let us find out the circumference of the, so for this, see, instead of calculating the circumference separately and then adding and then finding the radius, so we can do in a simple steps. I will just show you. Now circumference of the circle with radius 19 centimeter is C1 is equal to, so let us take it as C1, radius of one circle. So C1 is equal to 2 pi r. R is 19. Okay, 2 pi r. R is 19. R1. Okay, R1 is 19. Next, circumference of the circle with radius 9 centimeter is C2. So let us take it as C2, that is 2 pi into 9. I hope you understood. See, two circles are there. One is 19 centimeter radius, and so this is bigger, that is 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter. So the circumference is C1 and C2. Now next, sum of the circumference, let it be C1 plus C2. So sum of these two is C1 plus C2, correct? So here, so 2 pi r, because sum of the circumference of the bigger circle, another circle which we need to find out the radius of it, correct? So that circumference is C, which is equal to 2 pi r is equal to, this is 2 pi 19 plus 2 pi 9. So you all know, common here we have 2 pi 19 plus 9, correct? And here also we have 2 pi r. So can I cancel 2 pi and 2 pi? So 2 pi and 2 pi gets cancelled. So giving you r is equal to 19 plus 9. How much? So I will write here, capital R is equal to 1828 centimeter. So the required radius means of the third one. So here this is how much? 28 centimeter. I hope you understood. So we can do, instead of calculating the circumference of this, then again finding the circumference of this, then adding the two, you will get the circumference of the another circle, which required circle. Then by using 2 pi r, we have to calculate r. So it is a little bit lengthy process, but even that is also correct, okay. But if you do like this, you can calculate easily, okay. I hope you understood. So we have three circles here. One is of radius 19 centimeter, another one of radius 9 centimeter, and the circumference of the required circle, another circle, the circumference of it is the sum of these two circumference, and you have to find out the radius, okay. So this is how we have to find out. See, circumference of the circle with radius 19 centimeter, that is C1. So I have taken it as C1. C1 is equal to 2 pi into 19 R1. Here in this case R1 is 19, and in the second case C2 is equal to 2 pi 9 centimeter. Now when you add sum of the circumference C, capital C will be equal to C1 plus C2. Now C is 2 pi r, you all know, because required radius is capital R. So 2 pi r is equal to 2 pi 19 plus 2 pi 9. Here 2 pi is common, so 19 plus 9, and 2 pi and 2 pi gets cancelled, giving r is equal to 19 plus 9. 19 plus 9 is nothing but 28 centimeter. That is the required radius. So second one also is somewhat same way. So we shall work out the next one. Next one, the radii of the two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle having the area equal to the sum of the areas of two circles. See, again somewhat the same method, but here they have given, instead of circumference they have given area. So they have given here also, we have given radius is of two circles, okay. And you have to find out you have to find out another radius, okay, of the area is given there. Area is how much? Area is how much? The sum of the two areas. Suppose if you take A1 as one area, A2 as another circle's area, see here. See this one and another area. Then area of these two, this area is how much? The area of this is A1 plus A2. Okay, you have to find out the radius again. Okay, so let us try to solve this. Now, area of the circle having radius R1 is A1 is equal to A1 is equal to, we all know that pi r square. So radius, how much? What is the radius? 8 centimeter. See, R1 means it is nothing but 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter is A1 is equal to 8 square, pi r square, correct? Next, area of the circle having the radius, another radius is how much? Another radius is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter is A2 is equal to pi 6 square, pi r square. Okay. Here if I take R1 and this is R2. Next, sum of the areas of two circles, that is A is equal to A1 plus A2. Okay. Now, here pi r square will be equal to, this is pi r1 square plus pi r2 square, correct? Now, pi r square is equal to, so pi r1 square is, here we have pi 8 square plus pi 6 square. Now here I can take pi common, 8 square plus 6 square, and here we have pi. So pi gets cancelled, correct? So r square is equal to 64, 8 8s are 64 plus 36. So we got 100, correct? R is equal to square root of 100 plus or minus, actually it is plus or minus 100, but we know we cannot take negative because it is a radius. So I will consider only r is equal to 10 centimeter positive. So the required radius here, the required radius is 10 centimeter. Okay. I hope you, same concept, the first one and second one somewhat similar problems, but in the first one they have taken circumference, here they have taken area. Okay. Now the third one, you have seen the diagram here, this is the diagram for the third one. Okay. So you please be ready with the diagram so that it will be easy for you to understand. Okay. Now third one, see this is the diagram for the third one. So this diagram depicts an archery target marked with its 5 scoring regions from the center outwards as gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region representing the gold score is 21 centimeter and each of the other bands is 10.5 centimeter wide. Find the area of each of the 5 scoring regions. So this is somewhat a lengthy problem, but it's very easy to understand. Okay. See here. Now you might have observed the archery target. Hope you have observed that in sports they will use archery target. So here, see here, this is the gold color scoring region. So this is gold color scoring region and the diameter of this is 21 centimeter. Okay, diameter. So diameter of this gold region is 21 centimeter and the red region. So you might have observed here, see here, only this red region. This is the red region, red scoring region, and the width of it, each band means here you might have observed here, this one is 10.5 centimeter. So again 10.5 centimeter. So this is 10.5 centimeter and this is 10.5 centimeter. So each band is 10.5 centimeter, 10.5 centimeter. Is it clear? Try to understand the question. Though it is a lengthy problem, but the concept is very simple. See, actually yesterday in the first class I had explained about it. So by taking the circular rings, see here, this here, so this is the outer or bigger circle and this is a smaller circle. So if I want to calculate the area of this remaining here, the uncovered region, then what I have to do? I have to take the area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle, correct? The same concept we are working out this also. But here we have 5 rings here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rings, understood? So let us try to calculate. So I will make it little simpler. So just be attentive and listen. I hope you understood the question. So you should find out, so what you have to find out is the region, that is the scoring region of each color. The scoring region of each color means the scoring region of gold means what you will do? You will find out the area of this, no doubt, it is easy, correct? Next, scoring of red region means the shaded region here. Next, blue color means only this part. Next, black color, again this you will find. Scoring region means only this part you will find out. Again, white color means this area, okay, and the width of it is, each part is 10.5, 10.5, 10.5 centimeter, got it? Okay. Now let us begin this sum. So here I will just start like this. So radius of a gold scoring region, okay, let us take it as R, okay. So radius of region representing gold score, gold score, Okay, let it be R. So radius. So here they have given diameter as 21 centimeter. So radius is 10.5 centimeter, correct? 21 divided by 2. So 10.5 centimeter, and the radius of the gold region I have taken it as R. Please note this. I have taken it as R. Next, the radius of the region representing gold plus red. Gold plus red. So here you all know gold radius. So 10.5 plus the red region, I told you the width of this is 10.5. So total how much? 10.5 plus 10.5 is 21, correct? Or can I write it as 2R also? So I will take this R. Can I write it as 2R? Because R is 10.5. So now 10.5 plus 10.5 is 2R. So why I am taking this? Because to make a calculation little simpler, that's it. Okay. You can do in any other method also. If you are convenient, you can do the other method also. Okay. Next, the radius of the region representing gold plus red plus blue. So this will be 10.5 plus 10.5 plus 10.5. Can I write it as 10.5 into 3? 3 into 10.5, or can I write it as 3R? Okay, correct? 3R. Next, radius of the region representing gold plus red plus blue plus black. So here for 10.5, 10.5, 10.5 and 10.5. So 4 times 10.5, or can I write it as 4R? 4R. Next, one more. Radius of the region representing gold plus red plus blue plus black plus white. So this will be 10.5, 10.5, 10.5, 10.5, 10. 5 times 10.5 means 5 times 10.5, or can I write it as 5R? Okay. Next. Now, I hope you followed this much. So we have first radius R, next 2R, next 3R, next 4R and next 5R. These are the radius. Okay. R, and next means including this. I hope you understood this. R means here, 2R means here, this much. This is 10.5, again 10.5, and 3R is this much. So R, that is 10.5, 10.5, 10.5, like this. Okay. Next. Now, so this is about radius. So shall I rub this and to find out the area now. Now the actual problem starts now. See, all this in terms of radius I have taken this R, 2R, 3R, 4R and 5R. Okay. Now, area of the region representing gold scoring area, or so what in the question they have given to find out the area of each of the 5 scoring region. So, area of gold scoring region. So you all know to find out the area, what we will do, A is equal to pi r square, correct? Since r is the radius of the gold region, so I have taken pi r square. Now, so here I will write here only pi, that is 22 by 7 r is how much? 10.5, or shall I write it as 21 by 2? 21 by 2, correct? So to make calculation simpler, I have taken 21 by 2 instead of 10.5. Please note, these type of what we can call to make the calculation simpler. So in this chapter we are going to do this, because instead of taking decimals, it will be easy for us to cancel. So 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. Here 7 ones are 7 threes are. So 2 ones are 2 11s are. Okay. Now multiply 11 into 3 into 2. So 11 into 3 into 21 divided by 2. Correct. So let us find out 33. Okay. 11 threes are 33. So I will calculate here. 33 into 21. So 33 and 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 9 6. Divide by 2. Correct. Okay, now here 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 1 2 6 are 12, 1.5. Okay. Now the answer will be 346.5 centimeter square. Please note, 346.5 centimeter square. Got it? So this is the area of gold region, correct? Now based on this we are going to calculate the other region also. Next, area of red scoring region. Now here, see, in the previous class I had given this pi capital R square. I hope you can remember this. Pi r square minus pi small r square. So the radius of two circles, okay, is r and small r. So when you want to find out the area, so area of the bigger circle minus area of smaller circle. So same way, so when I write here pi r square here, so the second region is, you all know, 2r, correct? Area of red, the radius is 2r. So I will write it 2r whole square minus pi r square. I hope you understood this. Why I wrote 2r, you all know, the radius of the next one I had taken it as, see here, this one, this is very important. I have rubbed that portion, but I have written this radius for you. Here this is of gold, the next is including gold and red. Please be careful here, including gold and red, and this is gold, red and blue, and this is gold, red, blue, black, and the last one is gold, red, blue, black and white. So this is the case. Now here, see here, 4, 2 2s are 4, pi r square minus pi r square. So definitely you will get pi r square, 4 pi r square minus will give 3 pi r square. Now, so instead of calculating here, we have already calculated pi r square. How much? See here, pi r square is how much? 346.5. So we'll just multiply it by 3. Okay. Now find out. 5 3s are 15, 1, 6 3s are 18, 19, 1, 4 3s are 12, 13, 1, 3 3s are 9, 10. 1039.5 centimeter square. I hope you understood this. So if you have understood this, then next one will be easy for you. See this red scoring region, area of the bigger circle means here area of bigger circle minus area of gold circle. So only that I have done, but only thing is here I have written the radius in terms of r, that's all. Okay. So the next one, now we shall do the next one, that is I am not rubbing this, I will just rub this and show to you. Next, area of blue scoring region. Area of blue scoring region will be again pi r square. Pi r square. Blue scoring is next one is, so I finished these two. Next is 3r. So pi 3r whole square minus pi r square. Because see here, this 3r is including gold, red and blue. So the bigger circle, minus smaller circle. Sorry, smaller circle means here we have to take smaller circle we have to take 2r, sorry. Okay, here we have to take 2r whole square. I hope you understood this. See here, pi, see this is the bigger circle. Once I will draw here. See this circle. Okay. Minus this one. So this one. So we will give you this area. That is blue region. Okay. Now here 3 3s are 9. 9 pi r square minus 2 2s are 4 pi r square. So it gives you 5 pi r square. Correct? So 5 pi r square. The next one for blue region 5 pi r square. So we have calculated already pi r square. So here what you have to do, into 346.5. So 5 5s are 25, 2, 6 5s are 30, 32, 5 4s are 20, 23, 2, 5 3s are 15, 16, 17. So this much centimeter square. 1732.5 centimeter square. Okay. Again, I think by now you are familiar to do this. So next, so let us do for black color. Black color. Now, so for black color, so which is the radius? For black color 4r is the radius, means including gold, red, blue and black. Okay. So now pi r square. Pi r square means here 4r whole square minus, here you should be very careful, you have to take this much, that is 3r square. So radius will be 3r whole square. So here 4 4s are 16 pi r square minus 9 pi r square. Correct? So 7 pi r square. So pi r square we have the value. So 7 into 346.5. So 7 5s are 35, 3, 45, 4, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 3, 7 3s are 21, 22, 23, 24. So 2425.5 centimeter square. Okay. And the last one, white color. So the last one is white scoring region will be, white scoring means the radius is phi r, you all know radius. So pi r whole square minus pi 4r whole square. Means here, see the bigger circle, this whole bigger circle minus this circle. So this circle having radius 4r, okay. Now 25 pi r square minus 16 pi r square. So it gives 9 pi r square, and you all know. So to make it simple, I had written, see, to make this simple, so everywhere we are multiplying by this only in terms of r, okay. So 346.5. So 9 5s are 45, 4, 54, 58, 5 was a 36, 41, 4, 9 3s are 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So 3118.5 centimeter square. So though it is a little lengthy problem, but the concept is very simple. Here area of bigger circle minus area of smaller circle. But only thing is I did not calculate the area of each one. So you can do that way also. Again it is still lengthy process. So it is left to you. You can adopt any method. Okay. So we shall continue in the next class. Thank you.